Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Beckmann rearrangement converts a ketoxine, formed from a ketone plus NH2O, into an amide via PCl5 or other dehydrating agents with heat. The group anti to the hydroxyl on the oxime migrates to nitrogen, giving an amide. For an unsymmetrical ketone, two oxime geometric isomers, E and Z, form, and each undergoes migration of the group anti to O, yielding to different amide regioisomers. Moving on to the next step. The ketone ArCH2C is equal to O, Me reacts with NH2O HCl to give an oxime ArCH2C is equal to No, Me. Because the ketone is unsymmetrical, one side is ArCH2, the other is Me, two geometric isomers of the oxime form, the E-oxime and the Z-oxime. Moving on to the next step. In one isomer, the ArCH2 group is anti to O. Migration of ArCH2 gives ArCH2NH, is equal to O, Me, option A, and NH amide where ArCH2 is on N and acetyl is the carbonyl part. In the other isomer, the Me group is anti to O. Migration of Me gives ArCH2C is equal to O, NH Me, option B, and N-methylamide. Thus both products A and B are formed as the two regioisomeric amides from the major Beckmann pathway. And for the final step. Under PCl5 heat conditions, especially with an arylmethyl group adjacent to nitrogen in an intermediate nitrillium ion, intramolecular cyclization can occur. The nitrillium ion intermediate, ArCH2NCme or related species, can undergo intramolecular electrophilic cyclization onto the electron-rich aromatic ring of the benzodioxole, forming a cyclic imine, option C. The fused ring is equal to N-me-lactam cyclic imine product. The question explicitly states consider minor product also. Products A and B are the two major Beckmann amide products from the two oxime geometries. Product C is a minor product from intramolecular cyclization of the nitrillium ion intermediate onto the aromatic ring. Since all three structures, A, the NH amide regioisomer, B, the N-methyl amide regioisomer, and C, the cyclic imine minor product, are obtained from this Beckmann type rearrangement when minor products are considered, all of these are correct. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.